Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another color blend video. Today's video we're going to be blending color 30 and the color 33. The color 33 is the dark brown while the color 30 is like the ginger or light brown, as you can see in the video. And this color blend is like your go-to if you are a type of person that finds the color 30 too light and the color 33 too bright. So a blend of these two colors is just the perfect thing for you. Now for this blend I am concentrating more on the color 33, so I'm using more of the color 33 than I'm using of the color 30, and this is because the color 30 is like really bright. So if I use like the same quantity of color 33 and color 30, it's still going to be quite light, and my clients want it to be like neutral, like not too light, not too dark. So I concentrated more on the color 33. So yeah, let's just get blending. We're just going to be blending, and that is it for this video. I have a whole lot of blend videos on my channel. I already created a playlist for it, so I'm going to link it at the end of this video, so you should go check it out. And yeah, do let me know if you have tried this blend or if you are going to be trying it. And if you do, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I want to see how it went. I want to see what it is looking like on you. And yeah, talking about how it will be looking, at the end of this video I'm going to be showing you what it looks like as braid, so you can like have a representation of what it looks like. With that being said, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.